Ladies and gentlemen, this movie was a long time due. I watched part 1 and part 2 of this movie's reaction and I have uploaded this channel a long time back. The reason why I couldn't catch up on this part was because of the channel transitioning. It was the time when I actually transitioned from my main channel, which is the Mr. Skeptic official original channel, where I had uploaded baseball reactions and those kind of things, to this channel. Because of that, this kind of got left behind and I kind of forgot about it in between. Then I remembered it and I wanted to do it and I forgot about it again. And I'm finally here. In order to make sure I give a proper reaction to this, I watched the rest of the movie quickly. I just run through it so I have the entire context of it. And I think I've mentioned in my previous reaction as well, this is probably one of the best whole Bollywood movies I've seen. And I believe, if I remember correctly, this last part will probably be dealing with, I think, Farhan's issue. Three friends on a road trip trying to figure out their issues, personal issues, and their issues with life. I think Abhay's issue is not entirely resolved because there is something going on with Kalki, which we haven't get to the end of it yet. I think Ritik's issue is probably almost resolved. I think Imran's issue, Farhan's issue is probably what we'll be looking into in this. Primarily, I guess his we don't know what his father is doing, how the interaction with them is gonna be, and let's see. He's gonna have to get off his fear of heights to get enough courage to go and go and talk to his father. Hopefully that goes well. And this movie has been really good so far, and I hope it sticks up with that pace. And when I say that this is one of the best Bollywood movies I've seen, I haven't seen too many Bollywood movies, and among the ones that I've watched, this is probably one of the best. All right, without any further ado, let's continue with this. All right, here we go. And let's go. Oh, this is where we get the song. Okay. I almost forgot this song was so beautiful. This is so good, but this is peak Bollywood. That's it. What happened?
No desvíes la mirada. Quédate.
याद है जब टीवी पे सिर्फ दूरदर्शन आता था और हर संडे को शाम में पिक्चर दिखाते थे।
पॉइंट क्या है?
पॉइंट इज ट्यून याद है?
डंग 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 डंग
सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है। ये हॉलिडे हमारी नसीब में लिखी हुई थी। यू नो?
Okay.
You, me, and asshole.
Cheers, asshole.
Cheers.
No, yeah. Shut up, man. No, man. Shut up, man. कबीर, man. Everything is written. मेरी बात सुन यार. सब लिखा हुआ है.
He's changed a lot.
ये
Man,
पल
from
हमारा
previous.
यहाँ होना सब लिखा हुआ है. सब लिखा हुआ है.
Please.
What are you trying to do? You're in a different country.
Hola. 3 cervezas. कृपया करके.
What? No, don't. Please don't. Oh no.
See?
Okay.
Our man's back.
That's interesting.
दोनों के मोबाइल्स ऑफ.
What?
यप.
नूरिया का भी.
हाँ यार उसका भी हम शॉक. जब उसे मालूम था कि हम जेल जाने वाले हैं तो फोन तो ऑन रखती.
अगर किसी ने हमारे बेल नहीं दिया ना तो फिर ये केस कोर्ट में जाने तक हम यहीं सड़ते रहेंगे.
अर्जुन. उसको बोल मुझे कॉल करना है.
किसे फोन करना?
सलमान हबीब.
The artist.
या
अच्छा वो हमारे बेल क्यों देने आएगा?
This movie is so good.
ओए तू ठीक तो है?
I cannot talk because I'm invested.
तुम्हारे सब पागल हो
ही इज माय फादर.
हाँ?
मैं उसका बेटा.
Oh no. This whole trip. We planned it.
Speak with Mr. Salman Habib, please.
Yes?
सर मेरा नाम इमरान है. मैं राहिला का बेटा हूँ.
Oh no.
कब पता चला?
What happened?
अब्बू के मरने के कुछ दिन बाद.
नहीं बताया.
हिल गया था यार. मैं क्या बताता. अब्बू's not my father.
वो तुझसे बहुत प्यार करते थे इमरान. He really loved you.
Estás libres.
Okay. What happened? Oh no.
Están aquí.
Is it? Oh shit. Okay, they didn't have anyone else to bail him out, right? Okay, so it makes sense.
Hi.
सलमान.
ये मेरे दोस्त हैं अर्जुन और कबीर.
हेलो.
Thank you.
Hi. Thank you.
काफी हंगओवर लग रहे हैं अभी. चाहो तो मेरे घर आ जाओ. फ्रेशन अप.
हमारे बैग्स और गाड़ी तेरा द होटल.
I'll drive you there. Come. It's absolute rubbish. कोई भी बना सकता है इस तरह की पेंटिंग.
Oh no.
हमारे पास में एक साहब रहते हैं. उन पर अपनी बीवी की पोर्ट्रेट बनाने का भूत सवार था. तो मैंने अपने ब्रश से उनकी तमन्ना पूरी कर दी और उनके पैसों से अपने बिल भर ली.
Okay.
तो आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं सेविया में?
Skydiving.
Really?
Yeah. Well, I'm a financial broker in London.
Money man. And you?
मेरी फैमिली का कंस्ट्रक्शन बिजनेस है.
ओह, कोई बात नहीं. गलती हर एक से हो जाती है.
That's fine.
तो इनका Xerox कॉपी है.
और आप?
मैं लिखता हूँ.
जो लिखते हैं वो दूसरों के लिए. जैसे ये पेंटिंग मैंने बनाई है दूसरे के लिए. अपने लिए भी कुछ लिखते हो?
हाँ लिखता हूँ.
You writing a book or something, Imran?
Sir?
सलमान.
Yeah. हम बाहर वेट करते हैं.
अरे हाथ बिल्कुल मेरे जैसे हैं. बोलो.
आप अकेले रहते हैं?
नहीं, वाइफ है बट शी इज अवे. पेरिस गई हुई.
और आपके
बच्चे
No background music, no sound
इंडिया आते
effects.
हैं
just-
कभी?
हाँ 4 साल पहले गया था जब मेरी वालदा का इंतकाल हुआ था. नहीं समझ पाया कभी भी कि जब तुमसे मिलूंगा तो कहूंगा क्या.
सच कही.
सच होता क्या है? हर एक का अपना अपना वर्जन होता है सच का.
Then tell me your version.
Look, we were just kids. एक दिन पता चला, राहिला ने मुझे बताया कि she's expecting a baby. मैं उस जिम्मेदारी के लिए तैयार नहीं था. अब भी नहीं हूं.
तो बस सब छोड़कर चले.
You fucked up, man.
एक नजरिए से देखा जाए तो हाँ. अब अलग थे. मुझे आर्टिस्ट बनना था. I wanted to paint. I wanted to travel the world. आई लव्ड हर, लेकिन मैंने अपना फैसला किया और उसने अपना. दैट्स ऑल.
That was not entirely her choice, though.
मुझे आपके बारे में पिछले साल पता चला.
यही बेहतर है. तुमने ही कहा था ना, तुम सच सुनना चाहते हो. यही सच है.
ओके.
आई एम सॉरी इमरान.
No, you're not.
You're not. I'm so sorry, you're not.
कुछ कर सकता हूँ मैं तुम्हारे लिए.
सॉरी तब कहिएगा जो प्यार से निकले, प्लीज. जब गम का साया लहराया, जब आंसू पलकों तक आया, जब ये तन्हा दिल घबराया, हमने दिल को ये समझाया, दिल आखिर तू क्यों रोता है, आग तेरी बेकार ही नम है, हर पल एक नया मौसम है, क्यों तू ऐसे पल खोता है,
This is
दिल आखिर तू क्यों रोता
shots.
है.
Presentation.
नहीं,
लेकिन आई थिंक निकलना चाहिए. चले.
अर्जुन.
Tell me, क्या हुआ?
नहीं, वो इमरान का कुछ. I'll tell you later, okay?
अरे tell me now, what happened?
इस वक्त नहीं बता सकता हूँ मैं नताशा. जब मिलूंगा तब बताऊंगा ना.
तुम irritate क्यों हो रहे हो?
तुम बार बार वही सवाल क्यों पूछ रही हो?
Okay, forget it.
Oh no.
See? It's our wedding card. Can you see it? Gorgeous, ना? I'm just so happy with it. और हाँ, मैंने तुम्हें कुछ सूट ऑप्शंस ईमेल किया. प्लीज उनमें से एक सिलेक्ट कर लो, ओके?
Yeah.
Then stop fighting with me. You know, इस हॉलिडे से पहले सब ठीक था हमारे बीच. कबीर, just come home. यहाँ मैं हूँ, तुम्हारी फैमिली, तुम्हारे दोस्त हैं.
मेरे दोस्त मेरे साथ हैं.
Yeah, I know, but you know what I mean.
Oh my god. It's beautiful.
अच्छा है ना?
Is that who proposed to?
Tanya.
Oh no. Okay. Oh no.
Ever. I love you, son.
Oh, that was not the plan. Oh my god. No. Yes, it's
So
bad.
happy.
अपनी मॉम के लिए लाया था. उनके लिए बर्थडे गिफ्ट.
This is for your mom?
Look at it, sweetie. It's a mummy ring.
What? तुमने वहाँ कुछ कहा क्यों नहीं?
मैंने कोशिश की, मगर फिर तुम दोनों इतने एक्साइटेड हो गए, चिल्लाने लग गए और टाने ने तो अनाउंसमेंट भी कर दी.
तो तुम मुझसे शादी नहीं करना चाहते?
ये तुम्हारे बारे में नहीं है. मैंने शादी के बारे में सोचा भी नहीं है.
मैं पापा से क्या कहूँगी?
Oh no. Okay, he's put in a spot.
मुझसे शादी ही नहीं करनी
ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है.
है तो प्लीज अभी बता दो मुझे. I really love you, कबीर, और मैं नहीं चाहती कि तुम.
No, sweetie, don't cry.
Not now.
Oh no. It's. Oh no. Okay, this is bad.
कबीर, तुम इस रिलेशनशिप के बारे में सीरियस हो या नहीं?
Will you marry me?
Oh no. Okay.
Don't say this to me.
Okay.
My God. तुम क्या कैसे?
इमरान का फोन आया था and he begged me to come. So I think
I knew it. मेरा सबसे अच्छा दोस्त है.
सबसे अच्छा दोस्त.
I'm so glad you're here.
What festival is this?
ये सब क्या हो रहा है?
क्या हो रहा है मतलब? It's San Fermin running with the wolves.
Really?
What does that
Did you know?
mean? I don't know what that is. Dude, that's... I mean, Spain is known for bullfighting, but what the hell is this? Oh, shit.
मुझे लगा ये हमारी ट्रिप का आखिरी एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए.
ये हमारी जिंदगी का आखिरी एक्सपीरियंस हो सकता है.
स्टॉप इट यार. चलो कुछ खाओ.
Dude, are you?
अरे भूख लग रही है यार.
बॉस ये एडवेंचर स्पॉट नहीं है.
What the hell?
आई ऑब्जेक्ट जज साहब.
Dude,
माना
what
कि
the
ये
hell?
बाकी स्पोर्ट्स
तीनों.
हमें यही तो पॉइंट
Does he
है.
actually want that?
अपने अंदर छुपे डर को मिटाना चाहता.
Oh no.
तो ये रहा
Okay,
हम
that's
सबका
not good.
सबसे बड़ा डर, मौत. लेट्स फेस इट. क्योंकि इस डर के आगे
No.
को पागल हो चुका है.
मैं कल सुबह 7 बजे स्टार्टिंग लाइन पे खड़ा रहूंगा. तुम आओ या ना. गाइस शॉपिंग चले.
तुम लोग जाओ, मैं होटल वापस जा रहा हूँ.
तेरी तबीयत खराब है.
ओए, आई एम फाइन.
ये तो टेस्ट के बाद ही पता चलेगा.
टेस्ट.
What do you say, Dr. Fraud? खेलें? काम.
I do this.
Sex.
आई लाइक.
दोस्त.
तू?
शादी.
Oh no.
फैमिली.
Family. I'm learning masters in psychology.
क्या?
Something that we do.
बस इतना ही.
काफी था.
इन बेकार बातों के लिए मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. ओके, सी यू लेटर. बाय.
Okay.
Guys, I'm sorry.
You gotta face it, man.
What? Talk to us, man. What's going on?
It's nothing really.
कबीर.
Look, I'm sorry, मुझे गुस्सा आ गया. ओके.
क्योंकि मैंने कहा कि तुझको शादी से प्रॉब्लम है.
टैलेंटेड इंडिपेंडेंट इंटीरियर डिजाइनर थी, यू नो. उसको अपने काम से खुशी मिलती थी. और अब अपने काम को टाटा चीरियो बाय बाय कहकर उसने अपनी जिंदगी मेरी जिंदगी बना दी है. हाँ, मुझे एक साथी जरूर चाहिए, लेकिन आई वॉन्ट माई ओन लाइफ टू यार. ये 2 जिस्म 1 जान, ये मेंटालिटी आई वोंट बी एबल टू हैंडल इट.
तूने ये शादी कुछ ज्यादा जल्दी प्रपोज तो नहीं कर दी?
एक्चुअली मैंने प्रपोज भी नहीं किया था.
What?
Yeah.
क्या?
मॉम के बर्थडे पर मैं उनके लिए एक रिंग लेके आया था. वो रिंग देने से पहले मैंने नताशा को दिखाई थी और उसको लगा कि उसके लिए.
Talk to her,
Are you
man.
crazy? क्या कर रहा है?
What's wrong with him?
What's wrong with him?
Just
Give him some time.
तो इसलिए ये वेकेशन. हम जानते हैं कि नताशा इज अ ग्रेट गर्ल और ये भी पता है कि तू उसे चाहता है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू डोंट वांट टू हर्ट हर. बट पूछ अपने आप से, क्या तुझे 100% ये शादी करनी है? और अगर नहीं, देन बी ऑनेस्ट टू योरसेल्फ एंड टू हर. ऑफ कोर्स शी विल बी हर्ट, लेकिन इन द लॉन्ग रन ये तुम दोनों के लिए अच्छा है यार.
He's absolutely right है कबीर.
हाँ, पर मैं कमिट कर चुका हूँ यार.
अरे यार तो हो गई गलती. कोई जेल नहीं भेज देगा यार तुझे.
इतना आसान नहीं है इमरान. हमारे पेरेंट्स इन्वॉल्व हो चुके हैं.
पेरेंट्स, dude, it's your life.
तुम लोग समझ नहीं पाओगे.
Why do I still think this is a really bad idea?
अंदर आ तो मैं तुम दोनों को अपनी पोएट्री दिखाऊंगा. तुम दोनों को ही क्यों? I'll just publish it यार. I'll just publish it.
तू पोटी लगता है.
Okay. अगर मैं जिंदा रहा तो मैं लैला के साथ मोरक्को जाऊंगा.
Yeah.
That's what I'll do. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा
no.
क्या होगा? मुझे जॉब से निकालेंगे.
Kabir,
You right?
it's your turn,
Who
man.
cares, man? I'll be with her and I'll live.
Well done मेरे शेर.
हाँ तो
Shit, guys, दरवाजा खुल चुका है. Kabir, just
Say something.
It's okay, just say it.
Say it, say it. You know you wanna say it.
लंदन जाके नताशा को कहूंगा कि
Cancel the wedding. Come on, let's go. You got it, bro. Got it, Kabir. Let's go, man. It's your last chance.
Just say it.
Come on, Kabir.
You're gonna die. All three are gonna die.
I'm sorry, पर मैं ये शादी नहीं कर सकता.
Go, go, go. This was a really bad idea. Why do people get killed? Just get to the side at least. Don't stay on the main road. Okay, he's safe. Oh shit. Okay. That was... Never do that again. But now... He has to do it. Oh dude, are you fucking crazy? Get him out of there! Get him out of there! Wait, what is he trying to do? I thought he was gonna kill himself. No? Okay, they're just running almost. Okay, okay.
ख्वाबों की
They're trying to
बिजलियां लेके
finish
चल
it.
रहे हो
Okay,
तो
that
जिंदा
makes
हो तुम. हवा के झोंकों
Wait, is it done? Oh no, okay. This
सूरज
is
की
not...
बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी.
What is going on? Who's getting married? What does this mean? Okay. Okay, this was just an outro. Fine. Oh, holy crap. Oh no. Okay. Something else in the end? Post credits? Nothing. Oh, Stranger Things is out. That's interesting. Back to browse. And here we go. जिंदगी न मिलेगी दोबारा. 4.3 on Amazon Rotten. That's very less, man. I expected more for this. This is a really good movie. This is a phenomenal movie. And okay, the last part kind of caught me off guard because I thought after all that, Abhay was gonna get married to Kalki. Like, no, I mean the characters, right? So Natasha was gonna get married to Kabir. But I did not expect that it was going to be an outro song. Okay, it looked like a marriage setting, or maybe I thought maybe Leila was going to get married to Arjun. Interesting. Okay, this is one of the best Bollywood movies I've seen, and I stand by it. So it's basically the whole concept of this movie is facing your fears, and people who have been stuck in their own little heads and people who couldn't get over their fears in their own life, they had to take this trip to figure out the problems and resolve it. And that is done in a very, very beautiful manner. It's very well executed, and there are no dramatic sounds or cinema. We do generally see that in Bollywood, especially now. Some of the recent ones that I've seen, we do see a lot of cinematic moments, sound effects, unnecessary ones, a lot of them, to be honest. And these kind of movies still exist, which kind of surprised me. Which, I don't know, where have these movies gone to? Like, why do I not see similar movies in Bollywood anymore? Could it be because I just specifically pick the bad ones to watch? Or if it is the case, then let me know the good ones. I'll definitely watch those. This is a phenomenal movie, and I don't know if you're watching this for the first time, then in the previous reaction video of this movie, like part 2 or something, I did cry because what Arjun faced as his fear is kind of what I kind of could relate to it a lot, because I'm in my 20s and halfway through my 20s, and what I do with my life is basically what Arjun is doing right now. I do spend Monday to Friday working for my regular job, and Saturday, Sunday I work for other things that I'm passionate about. One of them being YouTube, which you're watching right now. So it kind of connected me a lot, and I did not end up crying on that. I kind of ended up crying on that, but I did not expect to cry. So this movie is something that hit me really hard. I'm not going to deny any of it. This is a really beautiful movie, very well made movie, one of the best Bollywood movies I've seen. I think if I had to put a tier list, I grew up watching this movie called Om Shanti Om, and I had a DVD of it, so I played it repeatedly over and over and over again. I hadn't like a lot of other Hindi Bollywood movie DVDs, and this Om Shanti Om was maybe like the whole experience of Om Shanti Om was really good to me and connected to me as a child. So that I have a connection with, a nostalgic connection with, due to which it would probably be on, let's say, I would say second place. First one, I'll give it to Three Idiots. I think that's expected, I guess. Three Idiots is probably one of the best movies I've seen. Then I would say something like Dunkel. And in the same arena, like number 3 or number 2, I'll still put Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. And after that, I would say Kabhi Khushi Kabhie Gham. Some movies that I really enjoyed, but I think I like this movie more than Kabhi Khushi Kabhie Gham because the element to which I can relate to it. Kabhi Khushi Kabhie Gham is like, there's like a lot of drama in it. I prefer, like, when you generally take movies, I prefer less drama and more realistic factors, to be honest. And this one hits it right in the head. And all these issues that they're discussing, problem with parents, the fear of living in a constrained mindset, like what Arjun was going through, and fear of facing up to your own fears, which is primarily what Abhay was. He was put into a spot that he couldn't deny it. And I kind of thought that, we'll probably have Abhay going to break up with Natasha on this one, which I didn't want to see. And I'm glad that they kind of ended right there. And each of them required some kind of jump, right? A leap of faith. With Arjun, it was that diving. With Imran, it was the skydiving. And with Abhay, with Kabir, it was the bull racing. Right? What is it called actually? Bull chasing. The running of the bulls. Encero? How do you pronounce that? Okay, that's Spanish. I can't read that. Oh yeah, this is real. This is very real. Okay. Dude, this is literally suicide, man. Why would you do that? Why would you even do that? You can just get horned in one of those horns and you will literally die. Why the fuck would you? There is blood on this guy's shirt. Literally blood on this guy's shirt. People can easily get killed. It's like so easy to get killed on this one. I can emphasize, I don't know why would people want to do this. This is literally messed up. I don't like that. I don't like that at all, to be honest. If I'm being completely honest, yeah. This movie, thumbs up. Really good one. I really love it. Okay. That's it. That'll be it for this movie. I would put it in, if there is, I would put it in A tier. It's an A tier movie. I wouldn't put it in S tier because S tier is supposed to be the God tier. Still, it was a really good one. Alright, that would be it for this reaction. If there's any other movies that you want me to react to, any movie related stuff, trailers, those kind of things, let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely take a look, and I see you guys next video. Good night and goodbye.